So the concept insect is the hypernym to fly. The concept fly is the hypernym to blue fly and all the other flies. The set of hyponyms which have the same superordinate term, the same hypernym, are referred to as cohyponyms, whereas their vertical relationship with a hypernym is one of inclusion. So fly includes insect, bee includes insect, ant includes insect. Their horizontal relationship is one of incompatibility. Blue fly is incompatible with brown fly, ant is incompatible with bee. Hyponymy can be defined as a transitive relationship. For example, if A is a hyponym of B and B is a hyponym of C, then necessarily A is also a hyponym of C. So with our concepts, brown fly is a hyponym of fly, fly is a hyponym of insect, so brown fly is a hyponym of insect. This relationship can also be defined in terms of entailment, something which we will address in our e-lectures on sentence semantics. Oddly, there are some terms, some sets of terms, for example, the color words, for which no superordinate term, no hypernym can be found. And then some linguists include the relationship of synonymy within hyponymy and define it as symmetric hyponymy, where A is a hyponym of B and B one of A. Let's finally look at our last relationship, the relationship of meronymy. Now, like hyponymy, meronymy is a sense relation based on the notion of inclusion. This is why some linguists subsume it under the heading of hyponymy. Meronymy describes a part-whole relationship between lexical items. For example, mouth is a part of the face and so is nose. So nose and mouth can be regarded as meronyms of face, where face itself is the holonym. There are at least two kinds of meronymy. Functional meronymy, where the parts are detachable from the whole. So wings are theoretically detachable from an aircraft. As you know, the effect would be a disaster. And then we have continuous meronymy, where part and whole constitute an inseparable or continuous whole. So the flames cannot really be detached from fire. Meronymy is, as I already said, similar to hyponymy in that it reflects a hierarchical relationship between lexical items. However, meronymy is not inclusion as a whole, but in terms of part-whole relationships. A fly is not a part of an insect, and a nose is not a kind of face. Well, let us summarize. This e-lecture cannot handle all details of sense relations. For example, we only mentioned but did not discuss the various types of synonymy. However, as an overview and in some cases as a precise treatment of sense relations, this e-lecture may suffice. The next question we have to address is, how do we bring reference and sense together, and how do we formalize these aspects of word meaning? The answer to this question will be given in our e-lecture, Theories of Word Meaning, where I hope to see you again. Until then, have a nice time.